Welcome back to Stir the Pot. Today we're going to be making Southern smoky vegetarian greens. You meat lovers will never miss the meat in these greens. They are delicious. Please give us a thumbs up. Really smash that like button. The directions will be down in the description and subscribe for more easy videos like these. Hang out with me and we will show you how to put this easy recipe together. Now let's stir the pot. Okay, we will start off with about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I have my pot on medium, and to this we will add 1 chopped onion. You will saute this onion until it becomes translucent and fragrant. You will add to your onions 3 cloves of garlic that I have chopped. This will have the kitchen smelling good. Onions and garlic always smell good. So we're going to add our red pepper. We'll do whoops, wrong one. We will do a 1/4 tablespoon of red pepper. Now we will add our greens. We are using turnips, collards, and creases. You can use just turnips, you can use just collards, or you can do a mix. Even kale. We have done it with kale, and it is delicious with kale as well. We'll let that saute down just a little bit and start wilting, and then we will add the remainder. It looks like a lot, but this will cook down to, golly, just a fragment of where we're at right now. We are adding the last of our greens, so you can see that that is going down pretty quickly for us. We'll let this wilt and then we'll start adding some other ingredients. As your greens start wilting, I am stirring from the bottom up so that I can get the ones that were on the top to the bottom and the ones that were on the bottom to the top. Greens are good all year round. They are loaded with vitamins and nutrients that are very good for you. These we're making for New Year's, and it is for the greens. So Southern tradition considers greens to symbolize folded money. So it is a tradition, and I will make sure that I'm eating these on New Year's Day. So these are wilted. Now we will be adding to it 2 cups of vegetable broth. And I'm not going to measure this out. I'm just going to eye it. We will also be adding 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. One tablespoon of brown sugar. We will be adding liquid smoke to this. We're only adding a 1/4 teaspoon of the liquid smoke. This is going to help us to achieve that smoky flavor without using meat. Also, a 1/4 teaspoon of smoked paprika. And lastly, we need to add some salt and pepper. So we have 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of pepper. So I'll add this as you guys smash that like button. Show us some love. Okay, we will continue to cook this. Of course, you want to get it all stirred in well so it's all mixed up. And this will simmer for approximately 40 minutes. That cornbread is cooked perfectly. This is the Southern sweet golden cornbread and the turnip greens. These are two of the Southern traditions. We're bringing them together tonight, and let's taste it and see how we did. The cornbread is very moist. It's delicious. It's nice and brown on the bottom, moist on the inside, and let's try it with the greens. These are the Southern Smoky Vegetarian greens. Very good. That is slap your mama good, but don't slap your mama. Um, Give us a thumbs up. Smash that like button for us. Give us a comment as to how you like the greens and the cornbread or what you do different for yours. And subscribe. The recipe for this will be in the bottom, and the link to the other tradition will be at the end of this video. So until next time, stir the pot.